Hey there! Today, I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to remove jiggers from your knee. Jiggers, those tiny fleas that burrow into your skin, can be quite a nuisance, but with the right approach, you can handle them safely. Let's dive right in. First, preparation is key. Start by washing the affected knee with warm water and soap. This helps clean the area and reduces the risk of infection. Next, use an antiseptic solution like hydrogen peroxide, alcohol, or iodine to sterilize the skin. Make sure you have clean and sterilized tools ready, such as fine tweezers, a sharp needle, or a surgical blade. Now, let's move on to the removal process. Begin by identifying the jigger. Look for a small black dot, which is the flea's head, surrounded by a swollen area or a whitish-yellowish sac under the skin. Once you've found it, stabilize the knee. Position your leg comfortably and minimize movement to avoid accidental injury. Gently stretch or manipulate the skin to make the burrowed jigger more accessible. If needed, carefully make a small incision over the embedded jigger using a sterilized needle or blade to expose it fully. Then, using tweezers, gently grasp the flea and its egg sac, pulling it out intact. Be cautious not to rupture the sac, as this can release eggs and lead to infection. After removing the jigger, inspect the area to ensure no parts of the flea or its sac remain. Any remnants left behind can cause inflammation or infection. Now it's time for aftercare. Rinse the area thoroughly with antiseptic to remove any debris. Apply an antibiotic ointment to prevent infection and cover the site with a sterile bandage, changing it daily. Keep an eye on the wound for signs of infection such as redness, swelling, pain, or pus. If symptoms worsen, seek medical help immediately. If you have multiple jiggers, remove one at a time, cleaning the area after each removal. For severe infestations, it's best to consult a professional. Remember, after treatment, wear protective clothing and avoid walking barefoot to prevent reinfestation. Proper care is essential to avoid complications like secondary infections or scarring. Thanks for watching. Stay safe and take care.